How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Today I'm going to make an everyday curry sauce. It's not authentic, but it tastes amazing and you can use it for lots of different things. The great thing about this sauce is easy to make. It's great for sauteing with meat. It's great for braising. This sauce is delicious with lamb, fantastic with chicken, and of course beef, but it goes well with certain fish like salmon and cod. All right, let's get on with it. I'm going to show you how easy and delicious this sauce is. Right, first add vegetable oil to a pan. The reason why I'm using vegetable oil, it's got a neutral flavour. Olive oil can be quite strong for this type of sauce. Next, add grated garlic and ginger and cook out for about 2 minutes. When making this sauce, you're going to smell some really great things. Add diced onion and cook out for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until soft. Then add tomato puree. Cook out the tomato puree for 2 to 3 minutes. It can be quite strong. You just want to mellow it out. I'm using a blend of garam masala, curry powder, chili powder, cinnamon, all smell and taste amazing. Now it's very important to cook out the spices for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add some good quality canned tomatoes. You want to reduce it slightly to get maximum flavour. At this stage you can add more spices if you need to. Never at the end. This is the only time where you can add some spices, because if you add them at the end they become gritty and it won't taste good. Next, add stock. I'm using vegetable stock. Now bring to a boil, simmer and cook for about 1 hour. And the secret to this sauce is patience, cooking everything down, getting the maximum flavour. Trust me, it's worth it. At this stage, you can keep the sauce chunky. It's entirely up to you. I like it smooth, so I blitzed it. When I opened that lid, the smell was unbelievable. Now add the sauce back to the pan. Look at that, great colour, tastes amazing. What more do you want? I finished with a little bit of cilantro, salt and pepper to taste, stir, and there you have it, an everyday curry sauce. Thanks guys.